Guys, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot. Oh man. I meant to give away this LEGO Space Shuttle kit back in October to celebrate my 1,000 subscriber victory. And I totally forgot. I got so carried away with all these other big projects and life stuff that I never got around to making the video to announce who won this. So somebody did win this, and today's the day that we're gonna find out who. And also in this video, I'm gonna share with you a couple of really fun things I've been working on here at the Orbital Alliance that I think you're gonna want to know about. So let's get into it. For those of you who watched my 1,000 subscriber celebration video, you knew that I was giving away this LEGO Space Shuttle kit. It's super cool. You can make a space shuttle. You can actually make an astronaut and another like a little sci-fi ship here. It's a multi-build kit, super fun, and I built one myself. I have a video here on the channel of that build if you want to check that out. But I wanted to give this away as a special gift to those of you who have been supporting me, and certainly to mark the occasion of hitting 1,000 subscribers. And since then, we've grown even more. I think the last time I checked, I'm at 1,162 subscribers here on the channel. So there are even more of you who've arrived since we've hit that milestone. But what I asked people to do was comment on that subscriber celebration video with something that they learned from one of my videos, and I did pick a winner, so it's time to announce the lucky person. So congratulations to a med student 7573. You are now the proud owner of this LEGO Space Shuttle kit. I will message you on your comment that you left on my video and tell you to DM me either on X, formerly known as Twitter, or Instagram, because YouTube unfortunately doesn't have a DMing platform, so I don't have any other way to get a hold of you other than through your comments. So hopefully you see it and DM me, and I will recognize that it is truly you who, put the comment there, and then we'll get your shipping information, and I'll make sure this gets out to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for participating, to everybody who left a comment there. We had a huge turnout for that contest. This is the first time we did a giveaway on the channel, and it made it so much fun to do. So again, I apologize for taking so long to do that, but thanks for being with me. No better time than the holiday season to be giving away free stuff. So yeah, congratulations again, a med student 7573. First things first, if you enjoy space and you enjoy podcasts, well, you're in luck, because the Orbital Alliance is now hosting our very own video podcast. It's called The Galactic Window. It airs twice a month, where I bring extra special guests onto the program, and we talk about all things related to space and astrophotography and just the world and life in general. It's super fun, super engaging. We've had 4 episodes so far, and a 5th is coming out on December 15th, 2023 at 8 p.m. Central Time. Don't miss it. Be sure to go to the Orbital Alliance channel and click the little notify me button that is right under the icon, so that way you get a notification to your device that will remind you when I'm going live. And yes, these are live streams, so you can actually participate in these episodes. In the chat, you can submit questions or comments, and you might get featured in the episode. This show will be continuing well into 2024 and beyond with all kinds of exciting guests. You never know who might be the next one, so be sure to check out The Galactic Window. Next up, one of my all-time favorite projects that I've ever worked on here at the Orbital Alliance was released last week. I did an adventure vlog where I drove to Canada and met Canadian astronaut Chris Hadfield. I got to see cool planes and meet really nice people and have a wonderful conversation with Chris himself. It was awesome, so be sure not to miss that video too. And a little sneak peek for you, I'm currently working on my next adventure vlog, which covers my annular solar eclipse trip to Arizona and Utah that I did in October. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have the little notification bell rung so you don't miss when this video goes live in just a few days. So I'm very excited to share this one with you. The results were awesome of all the photography that I did, and I really hope that you like it too. Lastly, I have a question for you. Do you mind sticking around for just one more moment before we end the video? I'm actually working on a really big goal of mine, and I want to ask for your help so that I can achieve that goal. Now, for those of you who've been around for a while, you know this about me, but if you're brand new to the channel, let me fill you in. The Orbital Alliance is my career. It's my job, it's my lifestyle, it's one of the things I love to do most in life, which is to share my love and excitement and joy around space and astrophotography with you and with the rest of the world, in hopes that you guys get excited about those same things. And one of the things I decided to do is make that my career and my job. But the problem with that is you aren't just handed money as soon as you start making videos about space. People want to know that you're worth their time, and you have to prove to them, hey, this guy makes great content, let's partner with them and then start giving them ad revenue and whatever, and give opportunities to make partnerships. That comes later. And I've been earning money on some platforms, but not all. So one of them that I have not been earning money on is YouTube, believe it or not. So I haven't earned a single penny for any content that I made here on YouTube. It's all just been for fun, but the goal all along has been to eventually achieve monetization status here on YouTube. And that's been a hard thing to do. They have a set of requirements that creators need to hit in order to become a YouTube partner. I've hit 2 of them, but the third and final one, in my opinion, is the hardest one to get, which is the cumulative watch hours requirement for my channel. So basically they want to know, are people willing to stick around and watch more of your content regularly? So I'm about 45% of the way to hitting that metric requirement. And what I want to ask you guys to do is that if you guys really do love being here, you love the Orbital Alliance, you love space, and you want to see more content, would you consider watching as much content here as possible? That means watching the latest videos right when they come out, watch them all the way through, tune into the live streams as they air, watch previous episodes of my podcasts, like the Galactic Window. You can put them in your ears while you're working and just let the episodes run in a playlist, you know, for a couple hours. Maybe while you're driving, if you're on a road trip or driving to work on your commute, like put on old podcast episodes. You can just listen to it. All of that stuff adds up. Every little bit, every 5-minute video, every 1-hour video, it all gets stacked up into this accumulation. And that is this like the #1 way that you can support me right now. And that would mean the world to me, because again, once I achieve this monetization status, I will start getting revenue from YouTube, and that will help fund my videos. That will directly support making better content for you. So if you're able to put in a little bit of time here, it doesn't cost you any money to watch the videos, just put a little bit of time in, you're gonna get better content down the pipeline. So there is some ROI here for you. That would just be absolutely incredible. I'd be so grateful if you could do that for me. So all that being said, let me recommend a video for you to go watch right now. Why don't you go watch episode 4 of the Galactic Window podcast. It was awesome. It was so much fun to talk with Tan, AKA Chasing the Milk from TikTok. I hope you guys really enjoy the conversation that we had. It was a really great time to record it. Thank you guys all for listening to me rant and hearing that like more personal side of things for me. Again, I love you all. Thank you for your support. It always blows me away how many people out there love space. So let's continue to do that. Let's make better videos, and you know the drill. I'll see you all on the other side.